sweater instead again in the place of his own sweater. In the place of his own sweater, he again took Benny's sweater at home, and his mother once again commanded means praise. Again his mother not stopped him and praised her about her action. And what she said, and him saying, she said, your sweater was very old and we would not have been able to buy you another sweater, so it's a good thing you did this. His mother said that we don't have enough money to take new sweater for you, and your sweater become old, and you have done good thing you have done. You bring you took at home your friend's sweater. That is good, because we are not able to take new sweater for you. She didn't say anything, but she said, you have done good. I am sure that the boy who owns this sweater is rich enough to buy another one. His mother said, I know, I'm sure that whose sweater you have bring at home, you have whose sweater you took at home, that person, that boy will be too much rich, that boy can take new sweater, but we are not able to take new sweater. That's why you have done good, they can take new one. She didn't stop him and didn't say anything about it. As Robin grew older, he developed the habit of stealing. Developed means grew. His habit of stealing developed. He now, first of all, he bring chocolate. Then he at home took pencil. Then he took book. Now, after that, sweater was expensive more than chocolate, pencil, and book. He took sweater. Now that's why this way his habit of stealing was developing, was growing. He stole from the stores, he stole from his friends, because his habit of stealing was developed. That's why now he started stealing from the stores, from the shops, and things from his friends. He even stole from his mother's purse. First of all, he was stealing the things of other persons. Then he started, now high level, he started taking the things from shops, from the stores. Afterward, he started the taking things or money from his mother's purse also. There came a day when he was caught in the act of stealing a lady's purse. After that, he became a high level thief. Then he become, act means action. After that, he was caught by the police in the action of stealing one lady's purse. And while she was standing at the bus stand, the lady was standing at the bus stand, and he stole the purse of the lady, and the lady was waiting for a bus. He tried hard to escape. Escape means get free. He tried to move from there and get free from there. He ran down the crowded road between buses and cars. Due to he tried to run away, took the purse from the lady, and he tried to move from there. That's why he ran between the buses and cars, and on the rushed road, crowded road, he knocked people and fruit carts down. Knocked means hit the people when he was running, who are coming in front of him. He hit that people. And fruit carts means two-wheel vehicle of two-wheel, which any person can pull, or that cart will can pull with the animals also, below cart, like that way down. The police kept chasing him, and finally, in attempt to escape after having hurt many people, the police kept chasing means keep trying to catch him. And finally means at the last, in the attempt to escape after having hurt many people, he killed a traffic policeman who was trying to stop him from getting away. When one day, when one lady was